Yo, you hear the General Beanie Man say? Bad man is active. So, welcome back people. Welcome back to the channel. Hi. Today me just want to put a polish pan the things when me see are go on and things when me hear Nick a say and some things when me hear Grung a say, along with some things where some of the vlogger them are put out there towards color. Now, me not really understand what really are going on still. Because me not think the vlogger them, most of the vlogger them are do them homework. Yeah, me not think most of them are do them homework. But what me want to say right now, me want to take a time out right now to say Oliver, Lifestyle, J.A. Big up your damn self. Big up yourself. You are real youth. Yeah, you are real youth. You know those, I take the thing and I choose a side. You are break it down. And you are break it down correct. Because you are, me make some call, you know, because I yard me come from. Yeah, man, me make some call. And you see, some of the things that when me get, Grung God know exactly what she had do. Grung God know exactly what she had do. From a long time. Grung God not just go there for eat only food. Yeah, Grung God are one of them people where no like you for where you have no matter where you do for them. Yeah, Grung God are one of them people there. And Oliver, Lifestyle, J.A., me, listen to you keenly. And what you are say, you hit the nail upon the head about 40 times. Yes, my brother, give thanks and praises. Because you know, depend on one side, you are taught the thing the right way, and you are do the thing the right way, and you are vlog the right way, and you are react the right way. J Progress, big respect you out. Big up yourself. Yes, you and Oliver. There's another guy out there we I listened to last night, because at 3 o'clock last night, me there up, you know. Because this thing come like near to me heart, because me I tell you, say me I watch your color though. And them things that happen to me in a real life. Yeah man, in a real life, them same things that happen to me, me do things to people. Me give them everything, build a house, me make, buy car, me do whole heap or something. I remember me tell you, say them same person turn around and they stab me in the back, so yeah man, when I time them stab me in the back, so that's, me I tell you the truth, say, me I think me know, say me could have come back up. So me know where the youth have got through. And to all of the people them out there, and the vloggers them, I don't know if you know watch my thing or you know see it, but you hear what me I say? There's 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, and another side to every story. Yes, before me go into that, big respect, big respect to Oliver Lifestyle. Love your channel, love what you do, love your thing. J Progress Entertainment. Not say a word. Word can't too much. But you hear me I say. If you listen to everything where Grung and Nick are put out there, sit down and watch it. Listen to what them I say. If when Nick go around color, Nick never go around color for just a normal go around color, you know. Nick go around color for learn some of what color do. Sounds simple, don't it? Nick go around color for learn some of what color I do. Watch the video them when Nick in. Nick nah do no work, Nick a watch. Nick a see what go on. Go in at the video them and watch the video them where Grung God, you know. Grung God work, Grung God help herself, but Grung God know what she a do. If you sit down and listen to every information when Nick have, none of the information when Nick a use, not depend on Nick phone, you know. It depend on Grung God phone. So that simple mean Grung God all this time, Grung God a keep them. Everything where color set to Grung God a keep them as receipt. Now, the only way you go keep receipt is if you're up to something. Yeah, some of the vloggers not even realize that. Some of the vloggers not even think about that. Because you're not ready to chastise the youth. Yeah, man, you're not ready to chastise the youth. Straight up. You're not beat around the bush. You're not ready to chastise the brother from the first word come out of mouth. Yes, you know you are going to color. You're not ready. But you not realize what really are going on. Listen to what Nick I say. Nick a talk about even the beast where the man buy and say the door then now open. Nick a talk about even the car when buy the climber. And I say how comes next man never get a car too? Let me tell you something, Nick. I don't know if you all listen to this. I go tag you down below there, so that means you can hear what I go on. You hear what I say? Bad mind, wickedness, deceitful is one of the worst. I don't even know what word to use. Thing you can never do upon this land. And remember, you know which part of the problem about living dirty, where me never like, me not like it either, is sometimes it don't affect you. Yeah, I won't say what it will affect. But whosoever understand and know how them things they work, we understand what I say. Grung God, what I want you to do as a woman, as a lady, as a girl, as a mother, I want you to sit down, think back to when you used to beg color money. And think about what color do for you. And stop your talking. Yeah, stop your talking. And go sit down in one church. Yeah, go sit down in one church. And ask Father God for forgiveness. Because when you sit down and you listen to this, from both sides, the information where Grung God and Nick have, me make it make a little bit more sense to you. Some of the information there when Nick have, when you get them from? Some of them information there when Nick have, when you really get them from? If them are true. Information about overseas, where they come from? Some of the information them about the girls, you know say, the same man them are going to come back and talk. What you know say? A different country than there, girls, and you know them all come back and talk because it's an experience. A young boy them, and them go a different country, see different girl, nice girl, and me get one or two of them. You know them all come back and talk. Because that's how we stay now. So we man stay now. We talk about girls, you know. But you have to really take a time out and ask yourself the question, say, who come back and say something? just as how it look. And I saw it really go. Something alright. Somebody, Grung God, is in is a part of the team. Since Grung God go up on the team, Grung God keep information and I relay that information to Nick. When Colaz fire Nick off of the house, that's the time, or before, I think before, yeah, I think maybe before, Nick and that girl get in. Yeah, Nick and Grung God get in. Nick feel bad about Colaz. Take him off of the house so him not make the money off of Colaz again. And start to talk to Grung God about everything. Now remember, to all the man and woman out there, you see when a man head and a woman head upon pillar and the socket and the plug join together, remember, the woman are going to spill the beans. Yeah, man, remember the woman are going to spill the beans. Yeah, we always have to remember that. And I think that's what happened. And from that time, Grung God started to feed. Yeah, from that time, Grung God started to feed Nick with information. And from that time, Nick started to tell Grung God, you can do it. We can do it. hey, you have to talk. You see when you in a relationship, you do the same thing in a small ways or anything. So you have to talk like you understand life. So that's why me I wonder, so what makes some of them vloggers here talk so? Or, you know, them just look. Clicks. But me think where people need to sit down and look at is how comes Nick have so much information. Nick have all information and Nick use the girl phone. So that simple mean, if I your boss and you respect your boss or you want to still work with your boss, you would not assure Nick the phone. Because remember, you know, when the man carry go St. Vincent, you know, and remember the man said nobody no pay no money and him do all of the money paying. But you know still get paid. How can you try to deal with a man we deal with people that way, like that? And some things when Nick talk about, and then Nick no ram for disrespect the youth them. By a talk about the youth them can't read and write and a Portland bush the youth them come from. Hey Nick, which part you come from? Which part of Dover you come from? Because I know Dover, you know. Nick, yeah man, which part of Dover you come from? Because Dover, I never go into that. But I don't like what I go on. Selfish. Yeah man, pure selfishness I go on. And it no look good. Yeah man, it no look good none at all. Yeah. It no look good. And it's just not a nice thing if you know say something like that I go on. You know? Hear it. And that you do, Nick. You want me to say, Nick? So all you do, Nick, I watch people business. Yeah, man, that's all you do. I watch him on business. You know more about the man business than you know about the transaction where the man has send money go a place. You all have send people I work with them other people. Them name a call for them name because them not stop yourself, so me not call for them name. So things that you are say, you shouldn't even say it because if you just say it, you see, you know say y'all tell lie. Just like how you are use the voice note them. If you did have any information about them things, you don't show them. Because you are do everything to bring down Color TV. You are do everything to bring down the youth. What is cheating? Cheating is just a man get excited. I want to touch her next skin. That's all in cheating. You get caught, you get caught, you don't get caught, you don't get caught. And you drive with that peace because you know say the man have a family. You know say the man have a wife. And you're not even think about the man and him kids them. You think about yourself. You send the man up and all his mother. And then you have vloggers still. They're out there. They're on your side. I join with what you are say. And I try to bring down the youth. Me not on color side, I'm not on phone side, I'm not on no side. Me just attack the thing on me see it. Me just attack the thing on me see it because tell you the truth, me that watch couple Grung channel and guess what me do? And listen me good you know. When me do when me go up on anyhow, me never see for your channel. Anybody channel me go up on. Any Jamaican channel me go up on. Me left it on and gone all a store. Me left it on and gone all a work. Every single Jamaican channel when me watch, me left them on. I make them run. And me never watch it. Because you and me I do. I want my people them eat food, make money. Yeah. So if me didn't see your channel before now, more than I do the same thing to it. But me not gonna do it now. Because me cannot help a person who try to help down a person. Because put me in a fit color shows, you that do me the same thing. Yeah man, you that do me the same thing. You know? But me not gonna stay too long on this. Me just should have come out and I say my piece about this thing, and when I want before me left after this piece here, would I like to say vloggers, content creators, do not so quick to jump on a situation without doing your homework. Oliver Lifestyle, J Progress. If me not call the name good, I just say go right now. The mind all over the place. Uno I do no homework. And no have to say this. Rasta no mix up in a bangarang. Yeah man. It shows say you hate the brother. You don't like the brother. Yeah man, it sure. It sure say you want to see the brother go down. So in other words, it sure say you and Nick is just alike. But people remember, go and watch Oliver Lifestyle JA. Check out J Progress and just go watch a whole heap of content on Colaz Smith. Just go watch a whole heap of them. See who Colaz Smith really is. Because no matter what them a say him cheat, them not talk about the good way him do. Hey, you just realize that. Them not talk about the good way him do. Yeah, them not talk about the good way the youth do. Me see some comment where some people say how him go help people at St. Vincent and something. People, the money where the youth work, the youth can use it do anything he want to use it do. At least say good work, good job to the youth, man. At least. Kind of rough though, but you know, if you don't do it yet, like, share, subscribe. Tap that notification bell, so that means any video I post or when I post the next video, you'll be the first one to get that video. But comment and make we talk, make we discuss this thing, because it's kind of a rough thing for say a person I go up, I elevate up, and somebody else I just try to bring them down, you know, and I try to mash up family, and you know, so I go left it right now, I go left it to party there right now, and just give a thanks to life, and you know, say Colaz TV, big up on yourself, you know. All I want, the crew, all I want, and we don't know the them young, and I just say go. All I know have to do, be strong, keep on the head pound the body. Yeah man, keep on the head pound the body. Remember this. Papi say it, me know it, a lot of people know it. Once you start to grow, people go talk about you. If nobody not talk about you, that means nothing not go on for you. Remember, if you do something and people start talk, or people talk, that means something go on. Me tell you, take it from me. Because me in that same position there right now as we speak. In a foreign country. Yes. Me I go up. And everybody I go, yo, they want to push me down. So, Colaz, the team, big up on yourself, enough respect. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe so you know we can help me build up the channel. So that means we can go and talk on some things and show you some cookings and show you all kind of things when we do. So, say a word, peace, until the next time, I'm out.